Now we'll look at a couple of ways to automate or semi-automate the process of creating attributions. And we'll start with Flickr images, and we'll use the Flickr CC attribution helper. Go to cogdog.github.io/Flickr-CC-helper. And there's a blue button near the bottom that says Flickr CC attribution helper. You're going to click, hold, and drag that button and drop it on your bookmarks toolbar. Now I've found a Flickr image I want to create attribution for. So I go up to my bookmarks toolbar and click on Flickr CC attribution helper, and it'll show me the options for creating attribution. And I want to do attribution with image HTML. So I'm going to select this block of HTML. I'm going to press Command-C on my keyboard to copy it. It would be Control-C on a PC. And now I go to my Google site, and I'm going to click in the right column, Embed. I'll click Embed Code, and now I'll press Command-V to paste the code. It would be Control-V on a PC. I click Next. I click Insert. And now I've inserted the image with the necessary attribution right below the image. This works in Google Sites, and I'm sure it works in other website building tools. As far as I can tell, it does not work in Google Docs or Google Slides.